If you've got survey responses and you're trying to turn them into a visual report fast, this tutorial is exactly what you need. I've tested the most popular tools out there and narrowed it down to one that makes it incredibly easy to transform raw survey data into clear visual insights, and I'll give you exclusive access to a free trial at the end of this video. Let's dive straight in. First, export your survey responses. Most tools like Google Forms, Typeform, or SurveyMonkey will let you export the data as a CSV or Excel file. Make sure your file includes clear headers and clean formatting. 1 row per response, 1 column per question. Now, upload this file into the software we'll be using. Once you import your survey responses, it instantly detects question types and starts building charts for you. You'll see automatic bar graphs for multiple choice questions, pie charts for ratings, and word clouds for open-ended answers, all without touching a single formula. To customize your visual report, you can edit colors, labels, and chart types. Want to swap a pie chart for a bar chart? One click. Want to change the title or highlight a specific data point? Just click and edit. You can also drag and drop charts into a full report layout. Great if you're sending this to stakeholders or clients. Here's where it gets better. The software we're using groups your insights in a clean dashboard. You can filter results by demographics, time, or other question logic. So you're not just looking at data, you're understanding it. This is especially useful if you're running pre-post surveys or comparing team feedback across departments. Once your visuals are ready, you can export them as PDFs, images, or even share a live link that updates in real time. This makes your survey report more dynamic and professional, especially if you're presenting it in meetings or sharing with clients. And if you're working with a team, you can invite collaborators to leave comments or make edits. That way, everyone stays aligned on what the data means and how to act on it. Quick note, if you want to follow along or try this software for your own survey reports, the exclusive free trial link is in the description below. Only for Danthorn viewers, you won't find this deal anywhere else. So, key takeaway. Turning survey responses into visual reports doesn't have to be slow or complicated. The right software automates the heavy lifting and gives you clean, professional visuals in minutes. To quickly recap, export your survey responses, upload them into the software, let it auto-generate the visuals, customize your layout, filter results, and export or share your final report. Don't forget, if you want to follow these exact steps with the same tool I used, check out the exclusive free trial in the description. It's the fastest way to turn your survey responses into a visual report without wasting hours in spreadsheets. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.